Masquera say Muria Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zinconfessions and Deep Secrets. Kanataki utanka kukuapa in the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kama chungwa garoga subscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Muria Zimbabwe takigirai nyaya ya itika kukulova deo kuRuwa Kwaitwa bata wabata kwanga kusinaombera mushe police ichimai sana nema residents nzvimbo yeRuwa Muria Zimbabwe. Pari kunzi pane dzimba dzanga dzichipazwa zvichinzi vanhu vanga vachigara ipapo vanga vachigara zvisiri pamutemo Muria Zimbabwe. Zviri kunzi vanhu vabatana vakatanga kurwisana nemapurisa zvakonzeresa kuti mapurisa awanikwe achishandisa chisimba. Hazvina kupera mushe mapurisa awanikwa vachikanda matiye gas vanhu vakatiza Muria Zimbabwe. So pane video yatakuigira kuti mungoona chiitiko ichi maitikiro achaita. Muhammad zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.
wakataza na ndio kuti polisi ndino mangari fuka ngamataza zvinhu zvakaputa tiro ona urikana ruchiza tega tega advance matio binga uya attack attack! Don't to adore and don't want to attack! Hey, kapapa notipase munhu waniona zvakandita hazvisirai. Kutaura kwatiri kuita the one uyo anonzi Kagonye Abuda she confirma kuti ye company is the one behind the move to remove my residents akadescribe achivati ma invaders Muria Zimbabwe. Abuda story achiti ye company yakatenga land yeCloverdale for $500,000 Zimbabwean dollars mugore ra 2013 Muria Zimbabwe. So hanzi vanhu vanga vachigara zvisiri pamutemo. News zimwe ayabuda ichitaura iyo ichiti yataura naKagonye on their website vachitaura ivo vachiti, speaking to Zimai, Kagonye confirmed her company is the one behind the move to remove residents she described as invaders. She said the company purchased the Cloverdale land for $500,000 Zimbabwean dollars, treated by the government in 2018 at the rate of 1:1 in the US dollar currency. She produced no title deeds to support her claims, and further revelations have emerged that she is only a developer, one of 3 others who has no power to evict anyone. She, however, has over the last 2 weeks managed to command police officers despite a court order instructing her to stop. She neither responded concerning a statement by a lawyer for the villagers who announced saying the land remains urban state land. State land is owned by Lands Ministry. She has no local standing whatsoever. The evictions were done by backdoor. The affected residents say they were never served with the process of such. The ministry reserves the right to evict. Petronella remains a developer. She told Zimai the local government minister Daniel Garu is behind the current efforts to remove the said invaders. I will tell you the whole story, and I want you to be objective. Tell them to send you the proper photos. I'm also going to send you mine. I need you to write what is correct. It is not the first time for this matter to go onto social media. We bought that land from the Ministry of Local Government in 2018. So we have been developing that land. We have all the paper trail, which I will send you. It is fully surveyed, all approved plans, approved water sewage, designs properly surveyed. And then when I was sent to jail, that was one of the reasons why they sent me to jail. That was one of the reasons they sent me to jail without a crime I committed. They wanted to take that land again from me. But we had already developed it. We had already put tarred roads. We had put water pipes. We had put sewage pipes, the culverts, everything. So when I came out of jail, I found 7 people who had invaded the land. They were saying that I would not return. They then built their own structures. I came, I did a settlement because they are people I work with. We are together at ZANU-PF. I engaged them and I offered them, and you know they do not have that much money. That project is a low density suburb with a minimum of 1,000 square meter of fully surveyed stands, 1,000 of them. So they made an offer that I would look for council stands in our areas where they are cheap, and then you will relocate, and we agreed to this. But they went behind and they received engagement by Minister Garu that they should invade it. I will protect you. I'm telling you this, and I'm going to be as open as possible, as blunt, so that when you write the story with fully objective detail. So I then was told I have the audios of these people talking with the current local MP, saying that they want to be accommodated as the ZANU-PF party institution. So I was then told I have these audios that I will send to you. So I then went and I engaged ZANU-PF leadership, and I was given a letter by the National Political PC after it had been deliberated on at the party, and they say that we cannot allow illegal invaders who go to invade land willy-nilly when they have not paid anything to government. They have not done anything, and I received a letter and engaged politically, and we went on the ground and addressed people with the Minister Daniel Garu. After we had been taken into meetings, we were told to stop fighting. We will send you the videos. The Minister Garu saying that he did not send anyone to Cloverdale. Leave the area. I'll send police right now. Do mabuditsiro akaitwa nyaya dzezimai muri Zimbabwe tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi kutaura kwatiri kuita zviri kunzi padestroyer 14 dzimba including macabins muri Zimbabwe. Matauriro atiri kuita tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi tiudzive zvamuri kufunga mucomment section.